Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion AI for automating SOPs and documentation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and visit notion.so. Log into your Notion account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on Templates and search for SOP templates. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your needs. Next, click on the chosen template to open it. Now, you need to create a new page for your standard operating procedure. On the top right, click on New Page. Title your new page according to the SOP you are creating. After that, click on the plus button to add a block. Select the callout block for important notes or highlights. To automate processes, integrate Notion AI by opening the block menu. Choose the AI option to generate text or suggestions. You can ask Notion AI questions related to your SOP. Provide clear prompts to get the best results from Notion AI. Once you receive the suggestions, you can edit them as needed. After finalizing the content, format your page for clarity and ease of use. Utilize headings, bullet points, and tables to structure the information. Next, invite team members to collaborate by clicking on Share. Enter their email addresses to grant access. Encourage your team to provide feedback directly within the document. Regularly update the SOP as processes change. Once everything is set, keep your page organized for easy access. Explore integrations with other tools to enhance automation further. You have now successfully installed Notion AI for automating SOPs and documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.